Okay, let's start by resetting a single text input control. So here on my page, I have a simple text input and I have a icon, and then the approach to resetting a single control is to use the reset function. So reset and then specifying the control. So you have the icon, and then on selecting this icon, I want to reset text input 1. And then what is the value we are resetting to? That would be the value that is defined in the default property of this text control. So in my case, I've specified a blank value, thereby it's the hint text that is specified that will show. If I provided another value, it would be like this or a specific text. So that is how we can reset a text input control with the reset function. If you have more controls you want to reset, you can actually chain the reset function. So in my case, I have two text input controls, and I can actually just go to my onSelect property, and then I can chain my reset function like this. So the two text inputs that are marked, the default value provided in this text input control is shown here. So if I go into this and specify some text and then use the reset function, it resets to its default values. Another option to reset your controls, and this is especially useful if you have several controls, is to use the reset property on these controls. So if we look into these three, they all have something called a reset property, and we can utilize that to actually reset the values of all of these one from another button control on an onSelect. So let's try to implement that. So go to the onSelect property of a button and then start to set a variable. So first you are going to set the variable, global variable, to true and then to false. You could also have used the update context function if everything you need to reset is on the same page. But if you, let's say, have several things around your app you want to reset from a single point, you can use the global value of the set function. So now we have this variable, the global variable, and we can utilize that on the reset property of these three controls. So find the reset and then use the global reset. And let's explore if it works. So task 1, some more description. And then it gets reset if I press the reset button. All right, so that was how you can reset different controls in Powerapps. I hope you enjoyed the video. If anything wasn't clear, use the comment section. And if you would like more stuff like this, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay awesome and build awesome apps.